Fuckers will not let me sleep. And like, man, they're definitely like light night. Automatically, boom, they're caching like my device ID. So like, no matter what device I use, boom, they automatically know it's me creating a new account. Fuckers. Like, why are they so afraid of me? They another private API that imports legacy shit that they have. It's like, you know, and then people just like operate as like, yeah, this is like normal, right? Like, this is normal. Like that what they're doing to me is normal, right? Like, it's like, how you would think that people would react and be like, yo, I got you, man. I'm gonna blast your fucking, like, you know, the flyers here for you, like the infographics, right? Nothing. I love my friends. You too. You. And then you have, you know, Fred that has a nice shit for me. I don't know what I joined. I don't know why I joined. There's shit for me. I was like, little the fucker. No, they wouldn't. He's a founder. He's okay to be violent. You know what I mean? Like, I don't look for price, but like, I'll clock you if you're for PG, man. But like, I don't fuck around with that. You know what I mean? Like, I don't fuck around like I was. The dude was out of character, right? Like, period. Threatening me, like, bro, threatening me. And like, oh, anyway, so the other thing I was gonna say, I tried to like get all this stuff done for the appointments, right? Like, so I have it planned out and have some like ready to go, but it's just I need people to like at least like go to the website. Let's see. I'm gonna think about something. Don't worry. Don't worry, it's like, I'm gonna think of something. Boom. Train station.